Hey, it's Dr. Brent here. We're going to work on Kayla here, who's had some kind of chronic tendonitis stuff in the elbow here. And we found one really simple adjustment we do with a lot of people that does works wonders with them to fix this problem. So I'm just going to traction it out a little bit of pressure through here. There we go. You feel that through that elbow. We're going to get this other side just to get a little bit more movement here at the same time. Right through there, a little traction. Good. Good. That's it.